Hey, what's up YouTube? It's VixerXYZ, and I'm actually currently in the process of installing the operating system for my new computer, which is this beast right here. Not sure how well you guys can see all that, but yeah. I actually just got the processor in the mail today. I just put it in, running an AMD Phenom 2 with a Coolmax ZX 500 watt gigabit L78LMT-S2 with a GeForce GT 620. I have a pretty much I have a pretty much decent system, minus the graphics card. That's pretty low end, and otherwise everything else is pretty good. I thought I'd bring you guys this video of my build. I'd show you the inside, but currently I'm installing the operating system, so I don't want to do too much of that. And one other thing I'd like to show you guys is my amazing sound system. That right there runs about $2,500. Each one of those speakers is $900, and I can't remember exactly how much that box cost. It was expensive. That's about all I know. Although my computer wasn't. That so far in total I've spent about $300 on it. And so I thought I'd bring you guys this video and just essentially tell you about my computer, tell you about my new build. So you will definitely see some more videos coming from me. Definitely had a much better quality than my my Minecraft videos, my first two, the My Day Minecraft series. Very choppy audio, slideshow-like video. And my reaction to the Xbox One, that one was really choppy audio. The video wasn't terribly bad, but the audio was bad. So there you guys have it. That was a video informing you of my build, and I hope you'll tune in to see me and Kroger Nazi play Payday the Heist and probably The Hidden. Unfortunately, right now I don't have a wireless receiver in my tower, and my box is on the upper level of my home. So I'm actually going to be running it through my old laptop to get Wi-Fi, which means terrible internet connection. I did that with my Xbox multiple times. Actually, that's the only way my Xbox ever had internet. So, alright, this has been VixerXYZ, and I'm out.